My name's Robin Haddy. Me and my wife are the owners of Boscastle Farm Shop. So when we started the shop, we had obviously all these motors and everything else. The electric bill was absolutely ridiculous, and we thought, well, we've got to try and do something about this. And a friend of mine who is involved with the solar industry quite a lot, he sort of gave us advice, and then obviously we started putting sort of number crunching, and it was going to work out that we were going to save money. Well, that's obviously a no-brainer. But like we just said, the next option is I think the batteries to store all our electric we make, and then we can utilise that then by night. We've had a very good experience dealing with SunGift. They've made it go very, very smoothly, and we're very, very, very pleased.